Hi guys, it's Erin the Tacky Painter, and today I'm going to attempt my first ever paint pour. I'm going to try a dirty pour, I guess it's called. I've never done it before. I'm excited. I'm nervous. We'll see how it goes. Alright, I've got my liquitex pouring medium here. I've also got treadmill belt lubricant. It's 100% silicone, so I guess it'll help make some really cool cells in the paint. I don't know, I've never done it, so come along on this journey with me. I've just got some craft paints here. I've got Wild Iris, which is kind of purple. I've got my white, cool blue, some Admiral blue, which is a little bit darker, and crisp green. So I think to start off, I pour some of my pouring medium into these cups that I've got. I've also got this canvas. I think it's maybe 9 by 12. I don't know. I've had it a while. I don't even know if I'm supposed to use stretch canvas on this, but we'll try it. And if this works, then I'll try another one with my kids because I think they'd like to help, but I wanted to try it myself first just to see how it goes. Alright, so I've got some of this. Oh boy. I'm not even sure how much to put in there. Let me see. I'll try that much. I'll just put that much in each one. Goopy. It's not quite as liquid as I thought it would be, which is interesting. Yeah, I wanted to try this by myself first because I have a feeling if my kids try to help me, it will be an even bigger mess. Okay, so I've got that. I've also got these little sticks to stir it with. If you guys have any tips for me or anything that I should be doing and I'm not doing, feel free to leave those in the comments. Because like I said, this is my first time and I'm not exactly sure that I'm doing it right. Okay, that was the cool blue. And I'll do some white. And I've got to kind of hurry because the only reason I can do this now is because my youngest is sleeping and my two oldest are out playing with their dad, so I'm on a time crunch. Here's the green. Ooh. And the iris color. Purple. Ooh, that one's kind of gloopy. Ooh. Uh-oh. And then the Admiral blue. There's not much of this one, so I hope it's enough. Alright, I'm gonna stir them. I'll leave the stick right in there. That's what I've seen the professionals do. And I don't know, if I like this, I might become addicted to this. I became addicted to painting with acrylics pretty quickly. The pouring medium doesn't seem to really affect the pigmentation of the color at all. The color's still pretty bright, which is cool. Okay. Now I think I'm supposed to put a few drops of this silicone into each one, but I am not sure. Oh boy. Okay. Just a few drops. Whoa, that kind of squirted out fast. Oh boy. Okay. And this one. if I'm supposed to let them sit for a little while. I'm gonna let them sit just in case. So I'll be back. Alright, I'm back. I've got my gloves on. I've got this clean cup to pour the colors in. Oh boy, I'm nervous. Alright, I think I'll start, I don't know, purple. Start with the purple. Okay. Yeah, this is messy. My kids would love this. Alright. Let's get some white in there. Some blue. Some of the dark blue. Oh boy, this is fun. I can see it already making cells. That's cool. More of the purple. More of the green. Some more white. And the rest of the blue. I think that's it. I hope that's enough to cover the canvas. Alright, I'll set these aside. I'm going to try to flip the canvas over. Oh boy, moment of truth right here. Okay. Oh boy. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Oh my goodness. Okay. Let me turn it like this. Alright. I'll leave it on there for a little while. I don't know how long I'm supposed to. Probably should have researched this a little bit more now that I think about it. But this is fun, kind of winging it. Making mistakes is a great way to learn. So hopefully I do make some mistakes. So the next time it'll be even better. Alright, I think that's long enough because I kind of want to see what happens. And plus I think I hear my baby waking up. So here we go. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Whoa. Oh my goodness. That is so cool. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna tilt it a little. Yep, my baby's waking up, so just in time. Oh boy. That's awesome. You guys see? These are like all my favorite colors together on the canvas. I'm dripping and making a mess. Whoa. This is so cool. Alright. I'm gonna let that sit, and then when it's done, I'll come back and take a picture of it for you guys to see. So that was awesome, and I am definitely going to do it again with my kids. I think they'd love it. This is going up on my wall for sure. This is so cool. It's not dry yet, but I have a feeling the cells are gonna keep changing and growing and mixing together. So yeah, that was craft paint and the Liquitex Professional Pouring Medium. And it was a really cheap canvas, so I can see there are some spots where the paint's not really sticking. but overall I think it looks awesome. So thanks guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I really appreciate it. And I want to remind you that there's always something to look forward to, and I look forward to painting with you guys next time. Thank you so much. Bye bye.